Hello Fire Kirin players, want to get free money in the game? I have got some tips to help you out. Let's go. First, check your daily login bonuses. Some Fire Kirin platforms offer free credits just for opening the app. Next, look for the options where you can watch a video and get the money for free. Now, another option, you can look for promotions or giveaways from your distributors. Many authorized vendors provide bonuses for new players or special events. Another way is through referral programs. Invite friends to Fire Kirin and earn rewards when they sign in. Always check with your official distributors for legitimate bonuses. Avoid scams promising unlimited free money. Have you ever won big on Fire Kirin? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.